AAG recommends this terrace house. Today, we are going to show you this rare unit situated near MRT. Best of all, it's freehold. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Outdoor kitchen for your favourite Asian cooking. Chilling out with your guest at this cosy corner. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Good-sized rooms. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Your family would love this. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.